Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to download Visual Studio 10 on Windows 10 and 11. To begin, you want to open up google.com and write Visual Studio Download. Next up, you want to make sure you find the website that is official for Microsoft, which is this one right here. And next up, we're going to press on the community one, and we're going to press on free download. From there, the download should have begun right here. We're going to open it. It's going to ask if you want to allow this app to make changes. Press yes. Next up, it should open up. You want to press on continue, and you will have to wait. Varying on internet speeds, the download times will differ. So the faster the internet, the faster the download. You get the idea. As you can see, the Visual Studio installer is finished installing. So now it should start installing Visual Studio itself. Now, as you can see, Visual Studio itself is 11 gigabytes. I don't have that much storage right now, but to simply download it, you are just going to press on install, and that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you did enjoy, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe, and don't forget to hit that bell icon so you don't miss any of Growmore Tech tutorials. Other than that, I'll be seeing you guys shortly in the next video. Goodbye.